bayan. Which is true, mga kabayan. Si Atty. Gualzo na po nakapansin yan, ha? Hindi po yan pro-Duterte. Kung isang kalaban ni Pangulong Duterte at ni BP Inday Sara ay nagsasalita po ng ganyan, di ba? Ibig sabihin po talaga may mali sa ginagawa ng mga congressman. Di po ba? Hindi naman pro-Duterte ito eh. Di ba? Pero nakahalata niya yung galawan ni di tambalos-los ni Ako Budoy. Di ba? Hindi na po tambalos-los tawag ko dyan, mga kabayan. Na po yan, si Budoy. Mas bagay po sa kanya. Ganun pa. Talay mo, attorney.
Hindi po ba? May circular yan. Ang problema po kasi, sa Intel Fund, walang resibo. Yung confidential fund, wala ring resibo. I was mayor also before, Ang naging COA commissioner pa ako. Alam niyo ba, liquidation ng Intel Fund na yan, ipapasok lang sa sealed envelope? Nakalagay sa circular, in sealed envelopes. Pwede ba recipe ng adobo mo, ilagay mo doon, adobong dilaw? Ilagay mo doon sa sealed envelope. Di ba yan papasa sa COA? Kasi sealed envelope yan eh. That's what I've been saying, that the Congress, aside from doing the Filipino people a favor, so it speaks, magpasa na kayo ng batas na nililimitan nyo yung confidential fund zero sa civilian agencies. At ang Intel funds ay may batas na nag-regulate kung paano yan gagastusin.
Senator Sonny Angara was defending the confidential fund of the president, saying that he is the head of state. Merong mga bagay na siya lang nakakaalam at nakakakita.
Hindi ko alam kung ano alam niya. Pero
And ma'am, this has been...
Pero I am saying that he is the commander-in-chief and he has all of these intel funds of these military agencies at his disposal. At siguro naiinggit siya kay Digong kasi 4.5 billion si Digong no? Last year. Sabi ni BBM siguro, ba't ako 1.2 billion lang o baangal kayo?
4.5 na na. But that's the issue, ma'am. Why now? Why is it just being looked at now, shed to light? Is it the sheer amounts, the sheer audacity?
Alam nyo kasi,
or it's been there for every administration?
Grabe ang mga tao ngayon kaya bumagsak yung nila, rating nila. Grabe na inflation, grabe na ang rising prices. Uh, 60% or more of the GDP ang utang. O baka gusto niyo matulad na kayo sa mga mas mahirap pa na bansa sa atin na halos hindi na tayo makabili ng bigas natin. So, in that context na poor ang country naton, mag-intel fund, confidential fund pa kayo na hindi namin alam where you spend it. Napaka-confidential, hindi namin alam. What's up yun sa Constitution? There has to be accountability and transparency, Gretchen. O saan ang transparency dyan kung sealed envelopes yan? Gusto nila lahat, may confi fund sila kasi parang yun ang kanilang kitty-kitty, di ba?
Hold on, I want to take this chance to correct a misconception though. Confidential funds are audited kasi a lot of people assume that they're unauditable, but they are
also audited.
Yes, they're audited. They can be audited. It's just that, as you pointed out, the rules on liquidation are unclear.
No receipts are required. It's in the circular. You read it.
So what happens to that sealed envelope? Who gets to read it? Who gets to check it?
The COA auditor.
Okay,
yeah.
okay.
And in case of national agencies, the office of the chair of COA. As a specific officer there in the rank of director.
If there are further questions, what happens then?
Well, they can disallow it. You see, the COA is the guardian of the the funds of the government. They
buck
can
stops
disallow
with
it.
the COA.
Yeah, they can disallow it. But tell me, and no offense to COA, it's a professional organization. I was very happy there, and I have a family there. I feel like I'm family up to now. Meron bang confidential fund o Intel fund na disallow? Wala, di ba?
But how would that happen, ma'am? Because if that's already been voted on, deliberated on by the budget, and is part already of that, how do you take away the allocation for that? As what are you
What do you mean,
proposing?
take
Just
it away?
completely
Oh.
abolish or realign it, put it in a new
No,
budget?
we have to stop confidential funds.
And where would we put the money, ma'am?
But put it in social services.
Okay.
Put it in state universities. Put it in hospitals. Give it to persons with disability. Give the persons with disability their monthly assistance fund. The senior citizens who are indigent. Give them the... There's
But
so
ma'am,
many
just
things
from
you
a
can do
practical
with so many
perspective.
billions of pesos, and you want it in confidential funds.
But from a practical perspective, how can we decide on where this money would go? Wouldn't that
Well,
take
that's the
deliberations from the House?
That's
Diba?
the job of the Congress because
Yeah,
it
it's
holds
going
the
to take
purse.
a whole other
Well, it
deliberation
holds
of
the person. Now, why are they withdrawing
Where will we
it
put
from
it?
VP Sara? Why are they withdrawing it from all the civilian... all of a sudden, they have a... Hallelujah! They found the Holy Grail. They're now zero for civilian agencies, and they'll move it to the Coast Guard and military. All of a sudden. Is there politics there involved? I like that. But I want it for the right reasons, Mr. Speaker. For the right reasons. That confidential funds should be stopped once and for all. Because we cannot
Across the
afford.
board. Across
We
the board.
cannot afford a single million, a single peso in confidential funds that are most likely going to be in the pockets of public officials. Because, again, there's no transparency and the regulations for liquidation is very vague. Very vague. So, pass a law.
Kaya po pala hindi pa na-approve yung ninyo. Pagiging congresswoman ninyo.
Alam nyo,
Maybe that's why.
alam nyo, kahit naman di ako nakaupo doon nakaupo naman ako dito. Di ba?
In your time as commissioner there at COA, have you ever opened one of these sealed envelopes?
Oh no, that's not my job.
Okay.
That's the job of the
Because I'm just
director in the
curious,
chair.
what is written there? If receipts are not required, what do they submit then?
Well,
You know what I mean?
they're supposed to have a
FYI.
program, right? So, in the National Expenditure Program, which you call later the budget, they have specific line items, right? And they'll say intelligence fund. They're supposed to have a program. What are you going to use it for? And they submit that to the head of office or the disbursing officer. And then the COA will audit it according to that program. Say, for example, they cannot buy equipment, they can't buy trucks, unless it's for a specific intelligence activity, which they will specify where, how. But as I said, sealed envelope yan.
But to date, ma'am, the COA has not said anything about these confidential funds in all of their audits. So far,
Oh,
wala pa naman
as a
silang...
courtesy, I don't think any COA commissioner will sit here and tell you about it. But you ask them if they have disallowed any, and I don't think they have disallowed any.
Why do you think that's the case?
Because as I said, it's confidential. It's so confidential that it cannot be disallowed.
But some people would know, the director, as you mentioned, could open the envelope.
Yes.
Okay.
As I said, these regulations are vague. So why bother? Let's go to the
Why
root of the
bother?
problem. Why even appropriate confidential funds to civilian agencies when they are not needed?
And it's also
They're not a
just,
necessity.
these departments that
Oh.
were mentioned, nasa LGU din eh.
That's the point eh. Even mayors have confidential funds. And this is it. There's no limit.
Exactly.
There's no limit, Gretchen. In other words, look at some LGUs that Yusek Magno, she said this. The confidential funds of some LGUs have a bigger share of the pie than social programs. Like, let's say, hospitalization. Di ba? who gets to say how much they can appropriate? Only the Sangguniang Panlunsod, and that's very political.
You don't buy the argument that they need it for peace and order?
Oh, bold. Oh,